Hello student. In previous lecture we saw the water resources, air resources as a natural resources. Now in this lecture we will start the next natural resource, that is water. Okay. On the earth, total water contents is about 78%. Okay, and merely about 20 or 21% of the contents of a land. Okay, so water is very much essential for the living beings. Okay, and we daily uses water for different purposes, means for bathing, brushing, washing clothes and utensils, mopping the floor, drinking and cooking. Okay, these are the main reason for which we uses water. So we have to complete this table, that how much quantity of water we uses for this bathing, brushing, washing, utensils, mopping the floor, drinking. These are the daily works which we done in our home. You have to calculate the approx liter of waters required for this activity in our home. Okay, here is a picture. That how much water available for drinking. You see here that, or we see here that the sea and oceanic water has a large portion of the water resources. Then this portion shows groundwater. The water remains in a ice form, and this part shown us is only part which is available for drinking purpose. So very small amount of water is available for a drinking purpose. So we have to use water so we cannot use we have to use this water very neatly, because it is available in very scarce. The water for a drinking purpose is has a very less quantity. because all other water contains a salt or a salty water, so it is not useful for drinking purpose. This water which is available on the earth get contaminated due to the different reason, as a human being itself is very much responsible for the polluted water. This water is polluted by the human beings. Moreover, uh, due to this contaminated water, if that water is come into the drink, we get it is very harmful to our health, because different types of the uh, uses or pollution responsible for different types of diseases in the human being, just like cholera, diarrhea, uh, which is caused by the polluted water. So we here is a picture that there is a atomic energy plant. It releases their heavy water in the river. That water also used for the farming purpose. The persons are cleaning their vehicles.